Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of exterior stone, one of my favorite ways to add character and charm to a home. Choosing the right stone can completely transform your curb appeal, giving it that timeless, elegant look we all love. We're going to explore some of the most popular types of exterior stone, from classic granite to charming fieldstone. We'll talk about their unique looks, durability, best uses, and I'll even share some design tips along the way. So grab a glass of sweet tea, get cozy, and let's get started. Let's start with a classic granite. Granite is incredibly resistant to weathering, scratches, and stains, making it ideal for high-traffic areas like walkways and entryways. Plus, it comes in a wide range of colors and patterns, so you can find the perfect match for your home style. Think about using it for accent walls, chimneys, or even just around your front door to create a welcoming and elegant focal point. Granite gives a home such a grand and timeless look. Next up is limestone, a natural stone that exudes warmth and charm. Limestone has a beautiful, soft look that adds a touch of elegance without feeling too formal. It looks equally at home on a traditional farmhouse as it does on a modern cottage. Limestone is ideal for facades, garden walls, and patios. Just keep in mind that limestone is a bit more porous than granite, so it might require a little extra care and maintenance. If you're drawn to a more modern aesthetic, then slate might be the perfect stone for you. Slate has a cool, contemporary vibe and is incredibly durable. From deep blues and grays to greens, reds, and even purples, slate offers a unique color palette. Use slate to create a sleek and modern exterior, or incorporate it in smaller doses for accent walls or pathways. For a truly rustic and charming look, nothing beats fieldstone. These irregularly shaped stones are full of character and bring a touch of the outdoors to your home's exterior. Fieldstone has a beautiful, organic quality that can't be replicated with manufactured materials. It adds instant warmth and texture, giving your home that cozy cottage feel. One of the best things about fieldstone is that it blends seamlessly with its surroundings. It looks right at home, nestled amongst lush greenery, making it perfect for homes with established landscaping. If you're looking for a way to add a touch of natural serenity to your outdoor space, look no further than river rock. These smooth, rounded stones have a beautiful, polished finish and a sense of calm and tranquility. River rock is best used for landscaping, borders, and decorative features like dry creek beds. Whether you're going for a Zen garden vibe or a more natural, rustic look, river rock is a versatile and beautiful option. Sandstone is a classic choice for exterior applications, and for good reason. This durable and versatile stone comes in a wide range of shades, making it easy to find the perfect match for your home's style. Sandstone is often used for exterior walls, pathways, and outdoor features like fireplaces and retaining walls. With a little bit of care, sandstone will provide lasting beauty and durability for years to come. If you're after a bolder, more modern look, basalt is a fantastic option. This dark, dense volcanic rock has a sleek, contemporary feel that's perfect for modern homes. Basalt often comes in shades of gray and black, giving it a sophisticated and minimalist aesthetic. You can use basalt for cladding, accent walls, walkways, or even to create stunning water features. Brick has been used for centuries and for good reason. It's durable, affordable, and adds instant charm and character to any home. While not technically a natural stone, brick is made from natural materials and can beautifully mimic the look and feel of stone. It comes in a wide variety of colors and finishes, from traditional reds and browns to more modern grays and whites. Brick is incredibly versatile and can be used for everything from facades and walkways to patios and fireplaces. Cultural stone is a manufactured stone veneer designed to mimic the look of natural stone, but with a few added benefits. It's typically lighter weight than natural stone, making it easier and less expensive to install. It also comes in a wider variety of styles, colors, and textures, so you can really get creative with your designs. It's a great way to achieve the look of natural stone without breaking the bank. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about quartzite. This stunning natural stone is known for its durability and its beautiful, often dramatic veining. Quartzite is incredibly hard and resistant to scratching, weathering, and heat. making it an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor applications. If you're looking for a durable, long-lasting, and absolutely stunning stone for your home, quartzite is worth the investment. So there you have it, friends. We've covered a lot of ground today, from classic granite to charming fieldstone and everything in between. I hope you feel inspired and equipped to choose the perfect stone for your own home's exterior. Remember, when making your decision, it's important to consider your home style, the look and feel you're going for, and your local climate. Thank you so much for joining me on this stone adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.